Hello student, let us start History and Political Science Standard 10th. We are going to begin the 5th lesson, Mass Media and History. In this lesson, we are going to study about mass media and several things. So my dear student, let us see what could be the method of sending a news to Delhi if there were a famine in Bihar in the Mughal period? How much time would it take for the aids to reach Bihar after the Badshah heard the news? So, dear students, Delhi to Patna, the distance is 1190 kilometers. If we travel by railway, it takes 11 hours and 45 minutes, that is almost 12 hours. At that time, Mughal Badshah sent the help to people. Transportation modes to send the heavy goods, bullock carts and such other things were used. The question is asked, how much time it would take for the aids to reach Bihar? According to me, it would take 1.5 to 2 months or even more than that for the aids to reach Patna, the capital of Bihar. Introduction to mass media. Mass media contains two words. Mass in this context means an aggregation of people, gathering of people. Media means various modes of communication. I would like to remind you here that in the ancient times, animals, birds, and human beings were used to communicate each other, such as animals like horses, bullocks, asses, etc. were used. Birds like parrots and pigeons and other birds were also used. The Greek ancient messenger ran for this site from Marathon to Athens, about 40 kilometers, to communicate the important Greek victory. The drum beaters used to also announce about the victory. In this way, the mass media began and they started communicating to the masses, to the people. Thus, mass media is a field of mass communication. We can easily send some information to a faraway destination through a medium of communication. In the olden days, a crier would run in the street beating drums and crying out important news. According to the order of the king, the news would spread among the people by words of mouth. So, mouth-to-mouth publication was there. History of mass media. Printing technology and newspaper were introduced in India after the arrival of British. People started receiving printed news through newspaper. Newspaper became a first mass medium of circulating information and knowledge among the people. Newspaper is a publication which mainly print news, editorials, people's opinion, entertaining or other supplementary contents. It is printed and distributed regularly at a definite time. Newspaper provides various local, national and international news. Newspapers are historical documents which record current events. Precursors of newspaper. Before the beginning of the Common Era, there was a custom in Egypt of placing inscriptions with royal decree at public places. So these people used to gather there, read, and then the communication was done. Emperor Ashoka also restored restored to similar method to reach out to his subject. In the Roman Empire, royal decrees were written on paper and those were distributed in all regions. They also contain the information of various events taking place in the nation and its capital. During the Julius Caesar's reign, newspaper known as Acta Diurna, meaning act of every day, used to be placed at public places in Rome. It was a very effective way of conveying royal commands to people. In the 7th century Common Era, royal dictations, royal dictates were contributed among people at public places. In England, handouts used to be distributed occasionally, giving information about wars or important events. Travelers arriving from far away would add spice to stories from those places and narrate it to the local people. The ambassador of king, posted at various places, would send back important news at the royal court. In this way, communication started on a large scale.